Hello, I'm Sam from Lo-Chlor, and today I'm going to talk you through how to use our Starver-X phosphate test kits. Phosphate is a key contributor to algal blooms in swimming pools, so removing it can help prevent algal growth, even in the most problematic of pools. Because of this, knowing how much phosphate is in your water can really help ensure that you're treating it correctly. Each of our kits provides up to 70 tests and comes with a measuring cylinder, reagent 1, reagent 2, and a multilingual instruction booklet with a colour scale. This test has been designed to cover low, medium, and high levels of phosphate, making it suitable for any pool. Using our test kit couldn't be more straightforward. First, start by rinsing the test vessel in the water sample before filling it to the 5 milliliter line. Add 6 drops of reagent 1 and mix by swirling. Then add 6 drops of reagent 2 and mix by swirling. We wait 10 minutes, giving you time to crack on with your other parts of your pool maintenance. Finally, place the vessel onto the colour scale, compare the colour produced to the nearest matching colour on your colour chart, and you have your result. And there you have it, an accurate phosphate reading in a little over 10 minutes. Now simply grab a bottle of your Lo-Chlor Starver-X and enjoy an algae-free pool all summer long.